Nzuri. So guys, I came from over there. When you are coming from the road, you come like this side here. You see how it is here. It has been raining, but then here I am today. Let's see where I am. I want to show you. Wow. Today I am here. I am here at Mara's home. This is the gate. I'm gonna show you, but if there is someone inside, maybe, I don't know, because they are at the side. That's why the door is closed, like so. This is it here. Welcome again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is graceykerry. For my returning subscribers, I welcome everyone. If you're outside there, and if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Support your girl. I'm talking live from the village. Let me show you. This dog here knows me. Ozemboka. This dog knows me. It has seen me, like it has come to say hello to me. Say hello. It knows me since it was too young up to this time here. It's like it knows me. You know, the dog cannot forget you, and this is it. Simbok, hello. Hello, Simbok. 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 Simbok, hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? So it has welcomed me home, like, so I'm very much happy. It has not even forgotten me, so I'm very much happy. If you are outside there, support your girl. I'm talking live from the village. I am Mara's home, and D Manga and David Jr. So I'm saying like I should come and say hello.
Niko na mgeni, unajua nikiomba maji mtu amepigwa na kiu. Acha letu ya maji ndio tunaendelea.
Yuko mbali.
Nasema kwa.
So good afternoon. How are you outside there? Here we are. Remember where I am? This is where I started my lifelong life. And this is my boss here.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
So my name is Mara, for those guys who are watching for the first time. This is graceykerry Mission.
Yeah.
She started her YouTube channel in this home. Today
I was here, my first YouTuber.
Yes.
Yeah.
She has surprised me here today. I didn't expect she's coming, but I just realized, well, some neighbor was telling me, you have a visit. I'm like, okay, which visit? Then boom, here Grace shows up.
Yeah.
So, yes,
You
Grace,
should remember
welcome.
where you started from. This is
Yes.
the life. I just felt like there's something which was pushing me to come.
Oh, today? So you
Yeah.
said you want to go. I want
Even
to
the
go.
money, the fare,
Yeah.
I thought I borrowed from someone.
How much was it?
1,000.
Okay, I'll give you that one.
Yeah.
So at least,
I borrowed.
yes, I'll give you double. So at least
Yeah.
one you return,
Yeah.
and two, yes, there's some water, drinking water which has
So-
just arrived.
Yeah.
You can show them. Itiriba. Eh, wewe umechukua muda bana. Mgeni anaomba maji. Wasichana. Wasichana.
Say hello. Yeah. So there is coming. We are talking
So
actually.
guys, yeah, we're in my home.
Yeah.
Village. Grace paid us a surprise visit.
Yeah.
Kind of busy, constructing and stuff. And yeah, and today also I have another visitor who is visiting from Nairobi. So that's what's going on here.
So I am very much happy actually. with
Okay,
the
Grace.
camera.
Oh, you want me to hold the camera
Yeah.
for you? Okay. Yeah.
I'm very much happy because like in 1 week since Sunday, there's something that was pushing me. You can go and visit them even if no matter what happens.
What actually happened between you and here? Okay, let me not push that because I don't want to bring memories. Grace has pushed me like I've stopped.
We are on media, we cannot.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So anyway, guys, we are here in my home. Grace, you have some questions for me? Maybe now. Yeah. How do you find YouTube so far?
YouTube, it has a lot of challenges.
Like which is the main challenge?
The main challenge is like sometimes you can start uploading a video and then you don't have like data.
So for you, it's financial challenge.
Yeah. Also the village sometimes there is like 1 week we spend without electricity.
Yeah. So you live in the village where you are right now?
It's not that inside, but then you know how
village is. Even in my home here, sometimes electricity goes for 4 days.
Yes, there is a time we were even going like 1 week.
Imagine no electricity. That's
and
crazy.
And in these bigger houses, you will be confused.
Do you miss staying here, Grace? Yeah. Or you just want good
That's
YouTube?
That's why I come back. If I could have not missed here, I could have not come back. Like even if you know what happened.
Yeah, that's why sometimes. That's why sometimes even I say even if people do good or bad, you always be a nice person. Because when you're a nice person, you can always meet them anywhere and say hello.
Yeah, this is life. You can walk somewhere and find that the person you don't want to talk to maybe is the person that you are getting somewhere.
Yes.
Yeah, that is it.
Oh yeah, Grace, welcome home.
Thank you so much.
They've given you food?
No, mom is not home.
Oh yeah, mom is not
she's
home.
She's coming like, I don't know, like 3.
No, I will ask them to see the food which is here. Yeah. I don't know if they're cooking lunch here. Most of the time I'm not here. Lunchtime I'm at the construction site. Yeah. Yes. So, yes, Grace, welcome. I don't know if you have some specific thing that you need from me. I don't know.
He knows better. He knows what I am asking. Maybe.
Tell me. I don't know.
Corrupt, I want him to push my YouTube channel.
Grace, I can't push your YouTube channel. It's these people here watching who can say, okay, Grace.
So if you are watching from outside there.
Yeah, if you're watching from Marwa, how many subscribers do you have now?
Now I am almost heading to 1,600.
1,600.
Yeah.
Guys, let's make it 2,000 for Grace, okay?
Yeah.
And Grace, make more lively videos. You know, people like lively videos.
Yeah.
Not the same thing every day.
Yeah.
And also nice thumbnail. You put titles, you put tags on your videos. Yes, and you put videos nearly every day. Not one video in a week or one video. That one, people don't like that. Yes.
I'm going to work hard. Actually, like since I started, I'm still working hard. No matter what happens, I'm not going to leave.
But you told me YouTube has paid you 2 times, so at least you've seen a good signal out of this.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, support Grace on her YouTube channel, and I don't know if you have any other question, Grace.
So, what are you planning after finishing your house? Like?
No, when we reach there, we shall know. Because I hate to put pressure on myself. Like after this, I wanna do this, I wanna do this. Me, I'm just leaving. Yeah, you know. I say what will be will be. That's I always say.
So this is life here.
All right, guys.
Yeah, we have to work hard.
Yes.
No matter what happens, if you don't work hard, there's nowhere that we are going. Working hard also pays.
Yes.
That's what I can say. So if you are in my channel, you can support. I know there are some people in my channel which I don't know. Mara here, you can go support Mara.
Check me out. My name is Mara from the village.
And if you are in Mara channel, come and subscribe to my channel.
Yes, this is our beautiful compound.
Yeah.
All right, Grace.
I used to work here, like waking up at 6.
But you are really a hard worker. Yeah. I appreciate that, Grace. As a family, we appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys, for tuning in. We want to say thank you again. Subscribe to Grace's channel.
Thank you so
Support her. Put more videos, and people will watch you every day, Grace.
Yeah, thank you.
And also, you see her spirit.
So hi guys, here I am at this is the biggest place here. I'm very much happy I'm here. So those are the washrooms there. Also, I was wondering I should show you around. This is where I was like doing some work here, but then I've come just to say hello. I'm very much happy because I'm here today. If you are outside there, I'm talking from Mara's home, so I'm very much happy. Cannot complain. God has done it. I just came to say hello, to the family because I was first working for them, and I'm happy just I found a chance that I should come and say hello to them. I'm very much happy. If you are outside there, go subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. We are heading to 2,000 subscribers. This is where I started from, guys. Please go continue supporting me. I'll be happy. Continue supporting me. This is where I started my channel from, because when I started like zero, I started from here where I am showing you. I started from this where we're working here. So that is the entrance gate. I will show you. Yeah, the beehive. The beehive is here. That is the beehive. Mostly when I was here, it was not here. We had only one, but now I see like they added a new one. This is a new one here. Yeah, this is a new one which is here. They just added like a new one, like so. This is it's very beautiful here. That is the entrance. This is the entrance coming to the home here. Yeah. See how beautiful it is. Wow. Very beautiful because of the trees. I think when you have the trees, it looks so beautiful than anything. Okay, welcome to my channel. I have a visitor here. Say hello to me.
Hi to her channel. Follow her.
Yeah, graceykerry mission. Yeah. So you are going now?
I'm going now to Nairobi, but I will be back here.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice journey.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye bye.
So, give me that dog. Okay. You see this dog? The dog? Our dog, that one?
Yeah.
This is the guy.
Yeah, go subscribe. Continue supporting me. So I really appreciate the love that you actually shown me since I started the channel up to this time here. So I may end up this video here. Continue watching until the end. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Hope you have a peaceful time. God bless you outside there. Ciao, ciao, bye bye. Let's meet in another video. Thank you so much.